Welcome back to the Scottish Tech Weekly, episode 10. So if you've not seen last week's video, click up here, I'll put a wee card for it. But this week we're in the van and we're on the way through to the yard first thing. So we're going through there, we've got the other side of the SAF axle to build back up, put new drums and shoes on. So we'll head through there and we'll go and get that done. Came through to Glasgow and checked this out. It's like thunder and lightning, absolutely chucking it down. So we're going to go make a coffee, do a training course on the iPad, and hopefully by the time we've done that, this weather will change.
Cleaning can create danger. If floors have been mopped, scrubbed, polished, or are wet for any reason, then you should put up warning signs and leave them there until the floor is...
Right, our first job is we need to hammer the studs out, and then that will separate the hub for the drum. So we'll get these chapped out and then we'll get the new drum fitted to the hub. Right, that's our studs hammered out. So we've placed the hub upside down on top of the old drum. We'll lift the new drum on top of it, put the studs in and hammer them in. Right, that's all the studs hammered in, so we can lift this off and then we'll go and do the shoes. Right, shoes are off. Cleaned up our ABS sensor, so we just need to get these balls out. So basically need to open up this tab, pull the ball out, clean it up, put the new ones in. There you go, so new shoes are on, drums on, and that's finger tight, so we'll go and get the torque wrench and we'll get this tightened up properly and then it'll be time for the wheels. Right, we've got our torque wrench set up to 150, so we tighten it to 150, then we mark the hub, then we move it to little dots after it. So let's get that done. So there we go, that's us torqued up, cap back on, so I just need to check the wheels on, adjust up the brakes, and then that's us done. That's the wheel on, all torqued up, brakes adjusted, so now it just needs a road test and then a brake test. So that's us done that. Now we're going through to go and do a defect clinic now in Bathgate. Right, we've got 4 defects in here. So first one was just number plate light was not working, we changed the bulbs. We've got 3 other ones, so we'll work our way up the line of trucks, stop at them, get them sorted, and then we need to go down every single truck and check the barrel hold underneath, make sure it's all intact on every truck. So let's go and get that done. Second defect, strap. This one's broken off of here, and then get it off and get the new one on. Just feed it back out. Have to do one-handed. We'll just feed that back out of there and then we'll feed a new one in. There we go, new one fitted. All fed up through the ratchet or buckle. So that's that one done. Right, I've just done a wee roof repair up there, and up there is the fiberglass cracked. This barrel, we need to get new pins that hold your sort of barrel cut in place, because these ones are all seized. So we need to get new pins, and that was to do the, it's a wee cutting patch. We've cut and repair. That's another one done. Right, that's all our defects done, so that cutting was the last one. We've walked down and checked the sort of cart that holds all the barrels for the kegs. So we've checked them, some of the pins are seized, so we've soaked them with WD. Come back tomorrow, we'll check if they've freed off, if not we'll have to get some new pins. But that is us, and that is us done by Monday. It's Tuesday morning and we're in the van once again on the way through to the yard, so we'll head through there and we've got a few inspections to do, then we're back in the Defect Clinic in Bathgate this afternoon, so let's get through there and let's go and get things done. Right, first job of the day, scaly trailer for inspection, so let's go and give it a chat. That's inspection number 2 done. So it's a skelly trailer, the exact same as the other one. It's the exact same make, model, age, everything. So nothing wrong with it. We had to adjust this wing, move it out a bit, but that was it. It's good to go. Here we go, inspection number 3. So we're just checking all the lights. They're out. Another skelly trailer. So this is the 3rd one of the day. And after this we're away through to go and do some defects in Bathgate. So we're going to get this inspected quickly and then see what we find, get it brake tested and then get through to Bathgate. That's us done in the yard. So 3 skellies all inspected, repaired, back out on the road. We're now on our way through to Bathgate. We're going to go back to our Defect Clinic because they've got more for us in there today. So we'll head along the motorway and we'll see what they've got. Yes, defect number 1, so a wee locking bit that holds the ratchet and unlocks it. It's not really working too well, so it's filled with grease, it's clogged up. So what we'll do is slack it off the nut and bolt, clean out all the grease, give it some spray with release oil, and then that should be us. There we go, so that's our ratchet fixed. So pull the release one, that wee gear moves back, releases it, then you lock it in place. There you go, tightens up, locks in, job done. Right, next one, this buckle is quite clearly not meant to look like that, so we're going to cut this one out, put a new buckle, put that, put a new strap. There we go, new ratchet, new strap fitted. That's that done. Right, last defect is this strap. This came away for the curtain, so just going to run a few nuts and bolts through it, secure it to it, and that'll be us done. There we go, sorted. So that's that secured to it. We'll just trim the excess off, and then that's that done. Gotta love Scotland sometimes, eh? Just came out of absolute nowhere. Right, that's all our defects sorted. We went down the rest of the vehicles that we never got to yesterday and checked the wheelbarrow holds underneath the vehicles, but we need to order some new clips because all the pins and that are seized on them. So we'll order new clips. By the time we get the name for all the motors, it'll probably be next week, so we'll come back next week and get all the clips replaced. But that's us for Tuesday, and we're on our way home.